So the Kajabi checkout page has just got a facelift. In this video, we're going to be looking at what is involved with this new update, how to implement it, and how you should best structure your Kajabi checkouts to get the maximum conversion possible. But before we jump in, I want to make you an offer. I can get you an extended 30-day trial of the Kajabi platform. That's over double the 14-day trial available to the public just by using my link. You can head to timpeakman.com/Kajabi and get access to your account today. And as a thank you for using my link, I'm going to automate you a free program. It's called Kajabi Unboxed. This is the program that I wish I had when I started my Kajabi journey. And that's just one of the awesome bonuses that I offer. More on those bonuses towards the end of this video. So without further ado, let's dive in. So here I am inside my live Kajabi account to look at this new Kajabi checkout function. So I've just gone to sales and then offers and selected one of my current offers, the complete webinar blueprint. Now this is a legacy checkout, and as you can see here, you can activate the new checkout. So if you were to create an offer from scratch, you will have the option of creating it as one of the new checkouts that Kajabi offer. But here, let's have a look to see what's different. So there's not much changed under the details tab. You can still put the details. You can link the product to this checkout. And then on the right-hand side, you can put the pricing and the logo. Under the pricing tab here, the only thing that's changed really is there's a new section here. So pricing options new. So the new offer checkout, you can actually have multiple pricing options within the same checkout. So if you had like a membership that was like $97 a month, you could also have the $970 for the year within the same checkout. So if I was to activate this and upgrade it, then I would have that option at checkout. Cross-selling, so the order bumps still there, the upsells and downsells, they haven't really changed too much at all. They're still there within the legacy and the new themes. But then when you go into settings, they've got the option here that you can brand this area. So these settings are shared across offers, pop-ups, and invoice checkout experiences. So it gives you a little bit more in terms of putting your branding on everything. And then this is it. This is the checkout template. So you can see here, this is the legacy template that is now active. So if we just pop this open, I actually quite like this legacy template. It's really clean and really simple. I like simple, especially at a checkout, just because Kajabi has changed something and given you more options to create more things doesn't necessarily mean you have to or you should. Think about the whole option or the idea of somebody landing on a checkout page. They need to check out. So if you distract them too much on a checkout page, they might not check out as much. So just have a think about, in the back of your mind, this is all about conversion. And then not much has changed in terms of like the notifications and the send as a gift. That's still there. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to have a look at this. I'm going to click customize this new checkout. And this is just in a templated version. So I've gone ahead and I've changed the background to be a little bit darker gray. So it stands out, everything pops. It's a little bit more in keeping with my branding. And if I was to use this new checkout function, this is probably all I would do. There is a lot of things you can do. As you can see here, this is pretty much like a page builder. You can have a look at the sections, you can have a look at the settings, put your favicon in, make sure you can have more design elements here, making sure that the style guide is in keeping with your fonts and your color palette. But if I was to add a section here, there's so much more you can add. It is just like a page builder. So you can even add like a course outline, for example. If I was to add this, then it would ask me go into the course outline, and then I would just put the webinar course outline. If you wanted to showcase a little bit of what they were purchasing, then yes, you could showcase what this course entails. But I probably wouldn't do that myself because, again, I like to keep things super simple. So I guess the main change for me is the ability to use those templates. So if you design a template, you can then download a template, share a template. All you have to do is click on the drop down, add new template, browse popular templates, and then add these templates and then see how your checkout looks using these templates. And so if you did want to use the new template, all you need to do is click activate. But for me, the most exciting thing isn't the update of the template itself, it's the ability of where you can put all these checkouts. So if I went to a sales page, there's another function here that you can actually add section to one of your sales pages and then just click checkout. They have now actually given us the ability to add a checkout within a landing page or a sales page. So for here, you just have to click in here and then select the actual checkout that you're relating to. And then there you go. The checkout can now be placed directly into a sales page. So this could potentially negate the reason just to have a standalone checkout page because you can put it straight onto the sales page. So there's less clicks for them to actually click away and purchase something else. Additionally, you can actually put it as a pop-up. So if you wanted to put it behind a call to action button, in that call to action button, all you need to do, this goes through to a checkout page, but now you can actually have it as a pop-up checkout. And again, if you select that checkout and then click save, all you need to do now is preview this. And then once this is loaded, if they click get instant access, it's just going to pop up and they can check out from this very window. So this all depends on your customer experience. What is preceding your checkout page? Do you have a sales page before it? Can you put your checkout on that sales page? Does it make sense to you? Just because there's something new with the Kajabi checkout page doesn't mean you need to put everything on it. Just think, when people land on a checkout page, you want them to do one thing, which is to check out. So for me, keep that simple will increase your conversions. So the big updates then, multiple pricing on your checkouts, the ability to download templates and share templates, and now the versatility to have your checkout page straight into your landing page or as a pop-up. So there we have it. Hopefully you found value in this training and you can identify something that you can take action on. So as a reminder, I can get you an extended 30-day trial of the Kajabi platform if you wanted to take it out for a spin. Head to timpeakman.com/Kajabi. That is over double the 14-day trial available to the public just by using my link. And yes, this is an affiliate link, but all that means if you continue past those 30 days free trial and you become a paying customer of Kajabi like me, part of your payment will come back to me in support of this channel at no extra cost to you. And when you become a paying customer of Kajabi and go past those 30 days, as a second thank you from me, I'm going to offer you a second program. It's called Kajabi Sales Page Templates. Just reach out to me, tim@timpeakman.com, and I'll grant you access. Within this product, you'll be able to download templates in a zip file and upload them into your Kajabi. And these are the sales page templates that I use in my business today. That link once more, timpeakman.com/Kajabi. Check out some of the awesome bonuses that I do offer on that page. Hopefully you got massive value from this video, and I'm looking forward to seeing you on the very next one.